from various departments of our university. So, I would request our university's Dean of Academics, Professor Siddharth Shankar Sir, to please come on stage and continue with today's award distribution.
Good afternoon, everyone. So it's a great occasion for the institution that many of our students would be receiving something which they will cherish for the rest of their lives. It is indeed going to be a memorable occasion for them. However, it is also going to be equally memorable occasion for the teachers who had great hand in making sure that they became what they have become. So the teachers and all the mentors that they interacted with, they would also be equally proud to see the students finally emerge as achievers. Today we have all 14 students present here. You know, this Governor's Excellence Award it is in fact a brainchild of Governor of Assam. This is intended to ensure the propagation of the cause of merit among all institutions in this state. It is all the universities and higher education institutions have been given the task of identifying meritorious students, recognizing their merit and encouraging them to continue in the same way. Our institution also was given this task of identifying such students, both at the undergraduate as well as at the postgraduate level. However, being a new institution, we have not had an occasion where a batch of undergraduate students would have passed and thereby become eligible to receive an award like this. So, from our side, we only have students who have completed their postgraduate studies from the institution. Accordingly, today all the awardees would be students who would be holding master's degrees from various departments of the university. And in order to give them the award, I would like to invite our Honorable Chancellor Sir and our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to come onto the stage so that the program could go to the next stage. Thank you, sir. Students, please come on the stage. Yeah. Okay. So the first student to receive the award from Honorable Chancellor Sir would be Shahid Ahmed. Yeah. So the first student to receive the award would be Shahid Ahmed. Please come and take your award from Honorable Chancellor Sir. So Shahid did his M.Pharm in pharmaceutical chemistry from the university. The next student would be Lani Saikia. You will also receive the award from Chancellor Sir. She also did her master's as M.Pharm in pharmacognosy. The next student would be Loena Chaudhary. She will also receive the award from Honorable Chancellor Sir. She did have M.Pharm in pharmacognosy. The next student would be Sandeepan Das. Again, someone who did his M.Pharm in pharmaceutics. The next one would be Jayashree Chakravarti. Jayashree did her M.Pharm in pharmacology. Yeah. The next student would be Samir Devnath. Samir too would receive his award from Honorable Chancellor Sir. Samir did his MCA. The next student would be Sagarika Paul. She would receive her award from Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir. She did her MBA from our university. She is the only one from Department of Business Management. Okay, the next one is Riya Das. She too would be receiving her award from Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir. She completed her MA in English. Next student is Saptarshi Pal. Saptarshi finished his MTech in civil engineering with specialization in structural engineering. The next student is Banashmita Kakati. She did her M.Com from our university. Next student is Porinita Sharma. She graduated from our School of Legal Studies. She finished her LLM. The next student to receive the award from Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir would be Sunit Dey. Sunit finished his MSc in Geology. No, Botany, yeah. Next student would be Abhijit Goswami. He too would be receiving the award from Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir. He did his MSc in Geology. And the last student is Sanjukta Parashar, who finished her MSc in Chemistry.
গ্ৰুপ ফটোৰ বাবে সকলোকে অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ। Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. And our best wishes for the award achievers. Hope you all always shine in future.
পুনৰবাৰ নমস্কাৰ সকলোকে মই সুপ্ৰীতি ফুকনে
মই দেৱাশিষ বৰা
ইউফিজিম 2026